Alright, so I thought it might be a good idea to compare the new AE-1600 with the AE-1500. So as you can probably tell, the AE-1600 unfortunately has a bit of a dimmer display compared with the 1500, but I do prefer the overall style of the 1600. They both have exactly the same functionality, so I won't go through that. I would have liked if the 1600 had the top right button that the 1500 does. But both watches are really stylish in my opinion, but the 1600, you cannot really beat that modern design. And I think those little fake screws on the 1600 definitely pop more than the black version that's on the 1500. And the 1600 wins out over the 1500 when it comes to wearing it on your wrist and being comfortable. So taking a look at the side profile now, I actually prefer the 1500 when it comes to the side profile. And looking at the back, yeah. So testing out the lights here, you can see that the 1500 wins again. But overall, I like the 1600 now.